video, I share how the 3% tranexamic acid from the Minimalist brand helps our skin. This product uses 3% tranexamic acid, and most of the studies that have been done, the research that has been done to prove if tranexamic acid can work effectively on our skin has been done on tranexamic acid between 2 and 5%. Brand uses the right amount of tranexamic acid. It fights pigmentation, reduces the chances of new pigmentation, new hyperpigmentation from occurring, fades the dark spots and fades the uneven skin tone patches that can be there on our skin. So it basically evens out our skin tone. The tranexamic acid also reduces the redness on our skin. It's also good at reducing the hyperpigmentation that can occur from acne. Two types of hyperpigmentation can occur from acne, red pinkish ones and the blackish dark brown ones. Tranexamic acid is good at fading both these kinds of spots that can occur from acne. Tranexamic acid is also really good at reducing melasma. The uneven skin tone, the patches in the case of melasma is symmetrical. So if you've got one here, there'll be another one on the other side. Hyperpigmentation on the other side, that's not symmetrical. It'll just appear on its own, the patches and the spots. When it comes to the more serious form of hyperpigmentation, melasma, yes, this product can help, but you can't completely depend on this product alone. You really need to consult a doctor and see what the doctor advises. Don't completely depend on off-the-shelf skincare products if you've got melasma. Always a good thing when brands, apart from the core ingredient, also have ingredients which add to the core function of this core ingredient. Now, core function of this core ingredient, that's tranexamic acid, is to fight pigmentation. So the product also has oat extract which controls inflammation, and by controlling inflammation it also reduces the chances of pigmentation from occurring. The product also has 1% hydroxyphenoxypropionic acid. Now this is a non-toxic derivative of an ingredient called hydroquinone. Hydroquinone is a gold standard when it comes to fighting pigmentation. But the problem with hydroquinone is it can lead to a lot of side effects, and that's why in many countries you can't use it without a doctor's prescription and a doctor's advice. So the non-toxic form of that is this ingredient, and having 1% of that in this product is again a good thing. This ingredient is shown to even out the skin tone and it also fades the existing dark spots. I like that brand Minimalist has used an additional anti-pigmentation ingredient. In addition to tranexamic acid, they've used another ingredient which is also quite effective. Tranexamic acid can be taken in a few different forms. The first one is a pill. It is most effective when it is taken in the pill form. But please don't go and do it on your own. You need to do it only with the doctor's advice, with the doctor's prescription, because it does have a lot of side effects. It's determined case by case basis if you are eligible to have this pill. Now the second most effective way of taking this ingredient is through microneedling. There, a dermatologist or a professional, a certified professional, will administer this ingredient through needles into your skin. The least effective one is through skincare, because the chemical structure of tranexamic acid makes it very difficult for it to penetrate into our skin, and if it's not able to penetrate into the deeper levels, it's not going to be as effective. Having said that, if it's formulated well, its chances of penetration can definitely improve. And Minimalist has done that. They have used two exfoliating ingredients, mandelic acid and salicylic acid. Now these two ingredients are going to gently even out the skin surface and thus increase the penetration of the other ingredients, which in this case is tranexamic acid, into the deeper layers of the skin. And an added benefit is salicylic acid also has some anti-inflammatory properties. Any ingredient which can bring the inflammation down is a good thing, because inflammation is the first step, is the main cause of hyperpigmentation. The product also has sodium hyaluronate, which is going to hydrate the skin a little bit, and that's again a good thing. Use this product, cleanse your face properly with a good cleanser, and then take a few drops of the serum onto your palm. Don't rub excessively on the palm, just take it on the palm and then bang 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 all over your face. Another more interesting and a better way of applying this serum is to actually take the dropper and put it straight onto your face. For some reason, I never seem to be able to get it right that way. If you can use the dropper. That way there's less contact, so that's even better. With your palm, drop it all over your face and then gently pat it all over your face. Never excessive rubbing on the face. I prefer to use this product in the night time, mainly because of the presence of exfoliating ingredients. I know there isn't much of that, but I still prefer to use it in the night time. This product, the 3% tranexamic acid from Minimalist, is a good one. That's about it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a like and do subscribe to my channel. That will really help me a lot, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.